Welcome back to the channel. Today we're breaking down Epitalon, a powerful anti-aging peptide that gets right to the source code of aging. We're going to look at how it helps protect your cells, repair your DNA, and even improve your sleep, all in a simple, straightforward way. So what exactly is Epitalon? It's a tiny molecule, a small peptide made of just 4 amino acids, but its size is deceptive. It's known for its powerful anti-aging effects, especially its ability to help your cells stay younger from the inside out. It was originally developed from a natural peptide found deep in the brain, in the pineal gland, the same gland that controls your entire sleep cycle. So, how does this little peptide actually work? Let's start with its most famous job, helping cells stay younger. Inside every one of your cells, your DNA has protective caps called telomeres. Think of them like the plastic tips on a shoelace. As you age, every time a cell divides, those caps get a little shorter. Eventually, they get too short and the cell starts to weaken and malfunction. Epitalon flips a switch, activating an enzyme called telomerase, which goes to work rebuilding those caps.
Simply put, Epitalon helps your cellular shoelaces from fraying, slowing down the aging clock at a fundamental level. Next, it helps repair DNA damage. Your DNA isn't static. It takes a beating every single day from stress, toxins, and just the process of living. Epitalon activates another crucial repair enzyme, called PARP1. This enzyme is like a microscopic medic for your cells. It scans for DNA errors, finds the breaks, and fixes them on the spot, helping to prevent harmful mutations before they can cause problems. It's a constant maintenance crew, keeping your genetic blueprint clean and stable. Third, Epitalon boosts melatonin and improves your sleep. Since it's derived from the pineal gland, it has a natural connection to your sleep cycle. It stimulates the gland, helping your body produce more of its own natural melatonin. This doesn't just help you fall asleep, it helps balance your entire circadian rhythm, which in turn can reduce stress and support your overall hormone balance. It's not about knocking you out, but rather helping your body find its natural healthy rhythm again. Fourth, it protects your cells from what's known as oxidative stress. You've probably heard of free radicals, unstable molecules that bounce around your body, damaging cells and speeding up aging. Epitalon works like a personal shield. It actively reduces these free radicals and boosts your body's own powerful antioxidants, like SOD and glutathione. It even protects the mitochondria, your cell's tiny energy engines, from getting worn down. And finally, Epitalon supports your immune system. As we age, our immune response can weaken. Epitalon helps by supporting the thymus, the gland responsible for training your T cells, which are the frontline soldiers of your immune system. By increasing T cell activity and reducing inflammation, it helps your body get better at detecting and fighting off harmful invaders, potentially reducing the risk of certain age-related illnesses. So, when you put it all together, the benefits become clear. Targeted anti-aging support, longer telomeres, stronger DNA repair, better sleep, a sharper immune system, and less cellular damage from stress. Now, what about side effects? For the most part, they're reported as mild. Some people experience redness or itching at the injection site, or temporary changes in their sleep patterns as their body adjusts. In rare cases, there might be mild swelling or irritability. Epitalon is a fascinating look into the future of health, targeting the aging process at its very foundation. By helping your cells stay younger and function better, it remains one of the most researched and compelling peptides in the entire anti-aging world. If you enjoy simple explanations of complex health topics like this, make sure to like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments which peptide you want me to break down next.